Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Latoya, and today is Sunday, the 12th of October 2038, and we're on the road. We just pick up our toddler from church.
Yeah, soon get it.
Yeah.
More food.
Yeah, I get all of that.
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi guys. What you do, Keisha, come?
She prepare for herself for church.
What? That's what she did?
So we're currently heading out now.
Come see. What kind of disaster that?
And this is a place in Port Antonio called Prospect. Yeah.
What's your block day? The roads?
Yeah.
Travel?
Picking up her daughter.
Alright.
Yeah. You take her downtown, you know?
No, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow.
So guys, that's a beautiful palm tree right there. Yeah. So we're making our way back to the town. Port Antonio.
Ready. Ready.
They call it grandmother. That's what they call it.
Oh, this is a package that I'm going to drop off to someone. Say hi. How was it in? Okay. Okay, good. So beautiful. Adriana showing the beautiful clouds and sunshine. So guys, we're heading towards Port Antonio now. This is the United Pentecostal Church. These are vendors on the side of the road. Look like they're keeping right here. So you know. So we're in the town of Port Antonio. This is Bannisville. So we just made a little stop to let Adrian and grandma. So now we know say bye.
Alright. Bye.
This is Adriana asking for food.
You want chicken?
Yes, you want chicken?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, the siren like the cat?
Yeah. So guys, we're going to stop at the Bayshore Plaza in Bournebrook, Port Antonio.
And we're going to buy some food.
I'm gonna check up at the gym. I lost my keys, but that was the last place I've been to, so I'm going to check and see if it's there. This is the beautiful view from the upstairs of Bayshore Plaza, Bonebrook. So I got my keys. This is where the old marina is. So beautiful. Yeah. So guys, I'm really thirsty. I'm going to purchase a water over this water store right here. There's a water store and a restaurant over this side, and this place is a furniture store. Oh, it look like they're closed. They're closed, guys. So I'm just gonna go down here and purchase the water. Ain't one water, please? Ain't one water, please? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So this is the restaurant, guys. I'm just getting a water right now. Chill Grill, located at Bayshore Plaza, Portland. Real Jamaican water. Yeah. So guys, I found them. They came out of the car, and this is here they came. There's Adriana.
So we can't stick in all that chicken. Oh, I told you that. Yeah, I didn't like.
Adriana, you riding the bike? They just here waiting for the chicken, the other chicken, so they're waiting. I'm going on the upstairs, just showing you the views from the upstairs. This place is so beautiful, guys. Really beautiful. Yeah. tall pine tree right here, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to zoom it in. Yeah, that's called pine tree. Guys, it look like they get through with their chicken, so they headed on to the car. So I'm just making my way up to the car. That's Adriana running away with her dad's phone. Her dad's running her down, and she's just running away with her dad's phone. So guys, they get their chicken. This is the chicken, a juice and a mixed water. So I'm just gonna show you what they got in that box. When I go inside the car, I'm just gonna show you what's inside. And guys, we stop and get this liver at the meat shop that we're going to cook for dinner. This is the chicken. This is the chicken that they bought at the restaurant. This is the ketchup. Let's see what's in it. Oh, it's chicken and fries. Okay. I just want to give Adriana her chicken. She loves fried chicken so much, guys. This is the ketchup. I always have to get her something when I came on the road. Adriana always needs something to eat. That's her. Getting ready to eat her chicken. She always wanted chicken, guys.
How do I make the hair? Do I draw it? Oh, no. Why don't we start off with the giant circle? Oh, no. Not this.
So we're making our way back. So coming up, this is a China Harbor. This is a urban center that's currently building in Portland. Yeah, that's how it's going to look, guys. Yeah, this is the side. Urban center that will be going. This is the Sunshine Beach. Sunshine Beach. Well, you can see it from up the top of the road, guys. You would have to go down there to see it. Yeah, this is Sunshine Beach. Those are people coming from beach, guys.
Again.
So this is the Norwich Primary School up there. Oh guys, we are making our way up to the famous fruit stall in Norwich where all the celebrities stop for fruits. They sell all variety of fruits. So we're going to stop there, guys, and see if they have anything we need. Yeah Hey guys, so this is it. Slow down. Yeah, this is it. There are people stop by to buy their fruits and get stuff like that.
June.
Hello.
Right
Hello.
here.
Yeah, man.
Avocado.
We have orange too, you know.
I'm right here, boy.
Oh guys, they got a lot of pears, a lot of avocado, a lot of June plum, a lot of plantain, a lot of bananas and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
What's this?
I will sit down here.
So we appear for the 5 minutes.
Good, Mr. Leslie.
Yeah, we appear then expensive. Don't have my man appear, it's not expensive.
I'm not feeling, you know. Somebody beg me sell the message. I didn't more in them. Look here, you're not coming from
No.
see there?
Yeah,
Alright, you can see there.
the map more.
Start them.
Well, I want to look soft. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, man.
So we got our avocado, guys.
Yeah, I'm pretty man. Yeah, tourists soon come.
Adriana is having her time. These beautiful flowers. Sun is shining,
Weather is sweet.
the weather is sweet.
So put on the dancing feet to the rescue.
Here I am.
Bob Marley. This is a College of Agriculture case of art, science and technology. Beautiful, beautiful Portland. Where all the sun lands. It's another week.
Yeah.
Put money in it. Tell them, where is it? Case, agricultural process. Heading towards snowing. Let's see it no problem.
So guys, we're almost at our destination. We're almost there, guys. So thanks for watching. Bye.